Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to save YouTube Shorts on a playlist. First of all, open up the YouTube app. Then click on Library from the bottom right corner. And tap on Your Videos. Then go into Shorts. Then click on three dots beside a short and tap on Save to Playlists. To save video in the playlist, you need to create a new playlist. So tap to create a new playlist. Set the title of your new playlist as whatever you want. Then you can choose to make your playlist private or public. Then tap to create it. Now add as many short videos as you want in your new playlist. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.